So you thought getting 100 subs was easy? Think again. So hello there, my name is Nick Nixon, and on this channel we help you, a content creator, to create and monetize your content. So if you're new here, drop that subscribe button and to not miss any of the future videos. So in this video we're going to talk about how exactly I got 100 subscribers. So recently crossed 100 subscriber mark, and I cannot thank you enough for that. At the moment of the recording of this video, we're at 114 subscribers and steadily going towards our 150, 200 and 1000 mark. So it's gonna be a pretty huge and a big ride for us. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So in this video I'm going to give you 10 rules in order for you to get your first 100 subscribers. First things first, this is not going to be easy. This is not going to be an easy task to accomplish. So be mindful of that. It's going to take a lot of work to get you your first 100 subscribers, and be mindful of that the things that you will learn in your first 100 subscriber mark, it's gonna probably take you to over 1000 as well. So just learn that right away in order for you to be easy to get to 1000 mark as well. Some of the rules you've heard quite a lot of times before, but I have to tell you about that because they're extremely important, but I will try to explain them as detailed as possible for you to understand. So without further ado, let's start with the rule number 1, and it is choose your niche. I know you heard this a million times. So choose your niche down, don't create random content. Yes, you've heard this a million times, but it is extremely important. You need to choose the topic that is as narrow as possible for the people to subscribe you for it. So people don't know you, people have no idea who you are. They are finding your content because of your niche, because of what it is your content about. And by the way, rule number 1 is closely tied to rule number 4, so stay tuned for that. So you need to create the content that is actually about a certain topic as narrow as possible in the beginning, because you need to be the one person who does the videos about this certain topic. In my case, it was online course creation. People are not making a lot of videos about Udemy and Skillshare, and it's pretty scarce on YouTube to find one place where all the things will be all at the same time. I was there, I couldn't find any good channel that have everything collected on one place. So that's why I decided to do it myself, and that's what you should create as well. Rule number 2 is start creating your videos right away. Do not wait for some magical time to arrive in order to start creating. Just start it right away. No matter what you do, no matter what skills you are at, no matter what equipment you have, no matter what it is, your first videos will be the worst videos that you will create. Just understand that they will be the worst videos that you'll create. Doesn't mean that they're gonna be bad videos. There's just gonna be the worst videos that you will create, because the more videos you will create, more skills you will gather, and your videos will become just better and better and better and better and better. So you must just start creating right now, because you have nothing to lose. They're already the worst, so I can do this right now, and then learn by creating more and more and more and more. No one cares about your first video. No one cares, and no one will ever care. Nobody cared about my first video ever, despite me having a few YouTube channels. Nobody cared about them, so nobody will care about yours as well. They care only the content that you will create on the later dates. They care only about the content that you will create really good content about. So just forget about anxiety, forget about anything, just press the record and continue creating. Rule number 3 is value first, quality second, entertainment third. This is how you should follow. Value, quality, entertainment. If you're creating an entertainment videos like funny skits, etc., value entertainment will become one of the same. So that means that value entertainment is more than the quality. So in my case, because I'm talking about how I got to 100 subscribers, in my case it was value first. So I need, when you click the video, when you get to my videos, I need you to teach whatever you clicked the video for. If I said it's a 10 reasons because Skillshare is good, then you want to learn about the 10 reasons that Skillshare is good. Or I had 5 reasons, but still, you need to know about this. So when you come to my video, I will just tell you exactly what it is. It is the value that I provide. I'm not hiding anything. I'm giving you everything that I know and just giving you straight value. The quality is second, because if there is no value, no matter how good your video looks, no matter how great your video editing is, people will just not hit the subscribe button because this is not the thing that they came for. They're coming for the value. They stay for the quality. And entertainment is just an added bonus just for them to just enjoy. Rule number 4, which is again tied with the rule number 1, is to target search first, meaning that your content should be searchable. I cannot stress this enough. There are a few ways for the people to discover your content through YouTube, and the number 1 way that you want to strive towards and you want to get to is, of course, the recommended section, when YouTube recommends your content to your non-subscribers and to your subscribers and to everyone else. But because nobody knows you, because nobody who knows who you are, because even YouTube doesn't know how good your videos are, you will need to create the content that is searchable, that people can find. So for that reason, you need to target search keywords. I know it's hard to understand at first, and I've been trying to target search keywords, etc., find the best keywords, etc., but forget about the keyword research. Forget about this right now, because no matter what other YouTubers tell you, it can be difficult to understand and overwhelming at first. Just create the content that people can find, like how-tos, like etc., like in my case, like the reasons, the teaching, how you can do stuff, the reasons to do stuff, reasons to not do stuff. Just create the content that people will search for. Exactly, that is it. The people can search for and can find. No matter how your good keywords are, and actually how people will find you is again tied with the rule number 5, but I'm gonna get to this later. No matter how good the keywords are, people usually are gonna find you for the keywords that you didn't even expect. Like in my case, the keyword Skillshare, which is pretty competitive, that's pretty full of people, and keyword Udemy, people are discovering my content because of these 2 keywords, despite me having very small channel, very non-competitive channel. Despite of that, majority of my search, majority of my watch time is coming from these 2 keywords. So just forget about keyword research and create the content that can be searched. Rule number 5, which is very, very big one, and for some reason YouTubers are not teaching you about this and not giving you a big information about this, and this is probably the biggest reason to be discovered on YouTube, and it is your thumbnails. Your thumbnails are essential. Your titles and video content is very, very important, of course. The people will stay because of your content and will look for your content because of your titles, but they will get to your videos themselves, meaning that they will view your content because of your thumbnails. Start creating thumbnails. You will need to start learning how to create thumbnails first. This is the first thing that you will need to improve that, because thumbnails and CTR, the click-through rate, is the most important factor for the views. This is what the view is. It is CTR, click-through rate, meaning that people looked at your thumbnail and decided, you know what, I think that's interesting, and they clicked on it. Then it's your job as a video in the content to make them stay on your video, and then make them subscribe or make them to get you another video. That's of course your job, but otherwise you need to have a good thumbnails in order to get people to your content. No matter how good your content is, no matter how amazing videos you'll create, your thumbnails suck, no one will view this. So concentrate on thumbnail first. Rule number 6, and it is more tied to our content quality in this case. Concentrate on audio first, then on video. So this is just a one-time thing. Actually, you don't need to constantly improve your audio. You just need to have one good audio device to record your audio, meaning that you need to have one good microphone. Just invest in microphone first than anything else. And it is, thankfully, in 2020 and beyond, it is not a big investment. It's a very, very small investment. Actually, I have a few microphones, like you will see, like this one right here, and I have a few microphones as well, but I'm recording on this microphone to show you how actually easy it is to upgrade your audio. This microphone is like $10 to $15 only. One-time purchase, $10 to $15 only. That's all you need to do to upgrade your audio. So upgrade your audio first, because if your video looks bad, people may forgive you, but it sounds bad, they will not forgive you. So just fix that right away. Rule number 7, study analytics. Analytics is your single best friend on your YouTube channel. Study analytics extensively. That doesn't mean that you need to obsess with analytics and sit every single day and look at it like crazy. No, make your analytics, gather all the informations for 1 month, for 2 months, for 3 months maybe. Let it gather information. And on that time you should continue creating your videos, and your analytics will give you exact information what you need to upgrade to. You have a small CTR. By the way, we're gonna create a video about CTRs as well in the future, so stay tuned for that. You have small CTR, meaning click-through rate. That means that you need to upgrade your thumbnails, meaning that people are not clicking to your videos, and that's why YouTube is trying to show them videos. YouTube is getting the videos to them, but because your thumbnail is bad, or because thumbnail does not resonate with them, they don't click it. So you need to upgrade your thumbnails. If your watch time is low, that means that people are not interested in your quality. The thumbnails are good, they're getting to your videos, but they're not hooked with your video. That means that you need to fix something in your video, and etc, etc. You need to learn and understand your analytics. If you see your analytics going up, your watch time views going up, that means that your channel is growing. That's good. But you need to also understand that you should not look at the analytics on daily basis. You should not look at analytics on daily basis, or not even a weekly basis. The best analytics is coming from the monthly views. From the monthly views tab, like every 28 days, you need to sit down and see whatever was happening during the past month. If you see the growth, good. If you don't see the growth, bad. You need to fix something. We'll do a video about analytics, extensive analytics video as well in the future, so stay tuned for that as well. Rule number 8 is the thing that everyone is talking about, but that's not everyone is following for some reason, including me, that I was not following this as well. Thankfully, I'm fixing this right now. I've been consistent for the last month or two, and this is consistency. You have to be consistent. I cannot stress enough how important it is. Stay consistent. Create videos in a timely manner. It doesn't mean that you need to upload your videos every single day. It means that you need to pick the schedule and stick to it. If you think that you can create videos daily, create. I don't suggest you to do that because you'll burn out pretty soon. But still, if you only can create the videos once a month, do that. Do that. Create the videos once a month. If you can create the videos once a week, do that. If you can create videos every 5 days, do that. Just stick to it. Think of this as a long term. You need to understand that you might be doing this for years to come. So if you can't do these videos daily for the summer, you need to understand that you may not be able to do this during fall or springtime. So understand that. Look, think about this as well. Choose your timetable, your schedule, and stick to it. If you can upload every week, upload every week. You can upload every 5 days, upload every 5 days. In my case, I upload every 3 days. I started uploading every other day, but I understood that it's too much for me, so I stuck to uploading 3 days. I've been doing this for a month now, and I think I've been doing this great. So just be consistent. It's very important for the people to know when to wait for your videos. When people do not know when to wait for the videos, they're not expecting it, and they're not gonna watch it. So they're gonna forget about it, because there are billions of other videos on YouTube except yours that are being consistent. So be consistent. Rule number 9, and we're like this. We're almost to the end. Rule number 9 is be patient. I cannot stress enough how many people are leaving YouTube because they're not patient enough. Me, myself included. I left YouTube, a few other channels, because I was not patient enough. It takes time for people to find out your videos. It takes time for you to improve your videos. It takes time for YouTube to understand your videos. It takes time to gather people around your videos. It takes time. Sometimes it takes a few days. Sometimes it takes a few weeks. Sometimes it takes years. But overall, the results are absolutely worth it. So just stick to it. Be patient. Continue creating videos, not because you want to become popularity and have an X number of subscribers or X number of views or make an X number of money. Start creating videos because you will like it. Be patient. Create the videos that you like and just continue doing whatever you're doing. You will find your recognition. If your videos are good enough and if your videos are valuable enough, you will find your audience and you will find your recognition. So be patient. And the reason number 10 is, I cannot stress this enough, because I don't know, like majority of the small YouTubers do not follow this, and is to be yourself. You are the only person on this planet that can be you. There's no one who can replicate you, and no one can, even if everyone will try, no one can replicate you. So why should you replicate anyone else? Do not copy anyone. You can find some things that you like that other people create and try to replicate it in your style, but do not straight up copy everyone. Do not copy Casey Neistat vlogs. He is a Casey Neistat. You are not the Casey Neistat. You are not. You cannot be him. You are you. You are the only person who is best at being you. So just be you. No matter how awkward you are, no matter how bad personality you think you have, no matter how bad you're at camera, no matter how bad you're at video editing, it's you. And you are doing the best of yourself. You can improve, of course, and you can do whatever you want to become better, but just be yourself. Do not betray yourself, because overall people will always understand when you're genuine to the camera. They will understand. Because if you're not, yeah, they will not subscribe to you, because they will see, okay, this guy seems fake. I don't care about him. And they will just never come back. Don't be fake. Be the genuine person. And this is 10 rules how I got my 100 subscribers and how you can do as well. By the way, this rule probably will apply to the 1,000 subscribers as well. I'm sticking to this and I will see what will happen. I will create the video when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And before this, I cannot thank you enough, my first 100 subscribers, how lucky I am. I know it's very, very difficult for someone to subscribe the unknown channel that has done nothing and has not found any recognition. But your comments, your subscriptions, and everything that you do for my videos is extremely, extremely valuable for me. I cannot stress enough and I cannot thank you enough, because I know that first 100 subscribers are the most valuable people, because you subscribed to me because of my worst videos that I will ever create, because every single video that I will create after that will be only better. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you're new to this one, because you don't want to miss any of the future content, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.